Hello friends, good afternoon all of you, and let's begin today. So I hope that all you people are doing fine with your practices of oral communication. Based on that, don't just rely on one particular session or just don't be part of only one particular activity, but number of activities you people are expected to do. So best source, I have already told you that your friends and you people need to create the atmosphere with each other. So try to take time and practice your oral communication with your friends. Try to check your grammar, try to check your pronunciations. Also, you can use mobile phones also. Record your speech for 2-3 minutes and try to listen it, repeat it, and just try to improve it. So with this note, we people will just move towards the what we people were doing last time. I think that verbal ability that we people have finished in previous session. But before going towards verbal ability, let me know if anybody is going to tell me something. I have told you, you people come prepared with some stories, some incidents, anecdotes, presentations, dialogues, role plays, anything will work. If some of you are ready to just go for it, in that case, we'll take that. If no one is there, we will continue with this exercise, what we people have done previously. So people just accordingly let me know. So I will share the screen now. Just give me a few seconds so that I can set the screen and we can start. I hope that the screen is visible, voice is audible clearly. If it is, someone just reply me. Is it audible
Yes, sir.
clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you. So let's think about the exercise. I hope that all you people have just discussed the many of the kind of relationships in previous sessions. So why not go for exercise now? And let's try to solve some of the questions. Here also, I can expect your participation. It shouldn't be that you are passively connected with these kind of lectures. And probably
सर
I'm
तुमचा आवाज खूप कमी येतोय.
just wait. Is it louder now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Fine. Thank you. So here also you people don't be passive, or I'm afraid of you people may like these kind of things that where you people will prefer to remain less active, but don't be less active. You people have to be active with everything. Whatever happens throughout the class, throughout the session, you should be ready with some questions, some suggestions, some answers, some activities. Then only you people will enjoy. Otherwise, you'll start losing your interest among these things. So let's go to the next slide. Just check next slide is visible to you or not. Is it visible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so this this has become an usual problem. So just check now if it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. So now all of you just pay attention. I think that we people have already discussed about those things. So completing the analogous pair, this is the type of question which you people are usually going to face in competitive exams, or maybe sometimes in placement activities also. You people are going to get some verbal ability questions. So therefore, you people just try to see in this type of questions, two words are given. These words are related to each other in some way. Another word is also given. The candidate is required to find out relationship between the first two words and choose the word from the given alternatives which bears the same relationship to the third word as the first two bear. So in short, I will explain that one pair of word given, okay, and similar pair, out of similar pair, one word is given and one you people have to choose it from the alternatives given. Four options will be given. Out of those four options, you people are going to choose correct one. Okay. So if you see the question, you will be able to understand. So here are some illustrative questions you people are going to answer. And first question is here. This question says newspaper and press. So this is one pair and they're having some relationship. So similar relationship you people have to find out between cloth and one of the following options. So your options are option A, tailor, B, textile, C, fiber, D, factory, E, mill. And you people tell me which is going to be correct and why. Which option?
Meal.
Mill.
Okay, mill will be the answer. You people can use number of ways. You can use chat box also. Take care if you're just unmuting yourself for telling me answer. It is not going to create any disturbance. Immediately after you finish your speaking, mute yourself. All right. So mill, as many of you people feel mill is the correct answer. For that, you people have to understand the relationship. Why we people are going to choose mill? Because newspaper and press. So newspaper is prepared, created, manufactured in the press. Similarly, where cloth will be prepared. So the answer is going to be mill. In the mill, you will find that clothes are manufactured. So therefore, option E, mill, you people are going to choose. You can eliminate options tailor and cloth. They are related, but not in the same way newspaper and press are connected. Fiber and cloth or textile you may relate it, but most suitable option will be mill. Even factory also, factory can be of sugar factory also. So therefore, we people are not going to option B or option D, but option E will be we people are going to choose as an answer. So therefore, option E is answer here. Similarly, you people have to think of the question number 2, and this question number is also similar like this. Bombay and Maharashtra, this is one pair. So now people have to think about the Trivandrum and you people have to choose answer from Kolkata, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Kerala or Sikkim.
Kerala.
Option D.
Kerala.
Kerala.
Kerala, option D, and even Arjun also answered chat box. Okay, those people who answered this question, let's try to understand. If you think of this first pair, Bombay and Maharashtra, what you came to know, Bombay is the capital of Maharashtra and Bombay is the old name of Mumbai. Okay, all right. So similar relationship, we people have to find out that Trivandrum is the capital of which of the following state. Let's go and try to find it out. If you think Kolkata, so is it name of a state or capital? What is Kolkata? State or capital? Here we want to find the name of state. So is Kolkata a state?
No.
Capital.
Yes, it's
It
capital.
is capital.
It is not a state. Capital of what?
West Bengal.
West
Paschim
Bengal.
Bengal.
Yes, exactly. Now think of Gujarat. So who will tell me
State.
what is the capital of Gujarat?
Gandhinagar.
Exactly. So Gandhinagar is the capital. So option B cannot be. Let's talk of Rajasthan. What's capital of Rajasthan?
Jaipur.
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 Jaipur. No way. And Kerala. What is
Thiruvananthapuram.
Tiruvananthapuram, exactly. But its old name is Trivandrum. Like Bombay is the old name of Mumbai. Trivandrum
Yes.
is also old name of Tiruvananthapuram. So similarly, just discuss about Sikkim also. So what is the capital of Sikkim?
Gangtok.
Gambit. Exactly. So all of you people have find it correct that option D, Kerala, is answer for this question. Then next question is in front of you. This is Vigilant and Alert. This is one pair. Try to find out what is similar or what relationship is between this pair, and similarly viable and which one of the following: active, gentle, hopeless, feasible, or useful. Here I will help you. Vigilant and alert, they are synonyms. So which will be the similar meaning word for viable? You can go for active, useful, gentle, hopeless, feasible.
Feasible. Feasible.
Feasible. D option.
Option D, feasible. So you'll come to know that viable and feasible, they are similar. So therefore option D is going to be answer. All right. So you people are doing it nice. I hope that remaining people, only few are participating. I think that 4, 5, 8 to 10 students might be active here. So take care that remaining students, you are also feeling the same. You are learning here. You come to know. If you don't know particular answer, it's okay. If you attempt it wrong, then also it's okay. But you shouldn't be just a passive listener here. That's what I feel. Okay. So accordingly, you just be alert. If you have difficulty, if speed is more or something is there with you that is not comfortable for you, try to tell me. Next question number 4 is in front of you. This says Doctrine nurse. So here there is question mark and then you people have to choose for follower. Employer, leader, worker, manager, union. Yes, Avishka.
Leader.
Leader.
Leader. Now explain why leader. What do you feel? Why?
Because nurse follow doctor and follower follow leader.
Yes, similarly, here between doctor and nurse, doctor gives some instructions and nurse follows it. Similarly, here, if you think employer and follower, they do not follow each other. Worker and follower, no. Manager, follower, no. Union, follower, no. But it's leader and poor leader, followers follow. So therefore, option B will be answer for this question. Next question number 5, cattle herd. So for sheep, what will choose? Flock, swamp, crowd, shoal, mob. Here also I will help you. This is example of collective noun. So people have to choose collective noun for sheep. Okay.
Flock.
Okay.
Flock.
Flock.
Okay. Flock is the answer. Let's try to find out for swam. Swam is of B. Okay. Swam is of B. Similarly, try to tell me crowd is of what?
People.
People, man, you can call. Shoal is of what?
Fishes.
Fish. Okay. And mob is for? Mob is also again for people.
Man.
Okay. Yes, man or people. All right. So therefore, flock is of ship. So option A is answer here. What is answer? Option A is answer for this question. All right. So these were the illustrative examples. Now we are going to have exercise, and this exercise, similar kind of questions will be there that you people have to attempt. And first question from this is in front of you: moon, satellite. So Earth, what? Sun, planet, solar system, asteroid.
Planet.
Planets.
Planet.
Planet. So why planet? If you ask what is moon, you'll get the answer. That is, moon is satellite, natural satellite of Earth. If you ask what is Earth sun? No, Earth is not sun. Is planet? Yes, Earth is planet. Is Earth solar system? No, Earth is part of solar system, but not solar system. Asteroid? No. So therefore, option B, planet, will be answer for this question. I hope that everybody is with this exercise. Nobody's feeling that they do not understand. If anyone is there, try it. You can just try to tell me it into chat box if any difficulty is there, or if you're not understanding, you can raise your hand and tell me. So option B, planet, is answer for this question. Next question number 2, forecast future. So regret what?
Past.
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 So it is with past, so people can understand. Forecast is related with something happening in the future. You might have heard about weather forecast. Okay, so when we talk about weather forecast tells us about what is going to happen, what kind of atmosphere will be there. So it is related with future. So regret, when we regret, we feel bad, we feel maybe discomfortable with the things we people have done. So it goes into the past. So regret is associated with past. Option C is answer for this question. All of you just try to take note of it. Next question number 3, influenza is related with virus. So typhoid is with what? Bacillus, parasite, protozoa, bacteria.
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 So bacteria is the answer for this question. You'll come to know influenza is the disease which is caused because of virus. Typhoid is the name of disease which is caused because of typhoid. So therefore, option D will be answer for this question. Then let's go for next question number 4, fear, threat. So anger, what? Compulsion, panic, provocation, force. So here you think
Provocation.
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 you think about this first pair. First pair says, if there is threat, so threat will result into fear. Similarly, what will result into anger? If something is compulsion leading to anger? Compulsion is not leading to anger. Panic is not leading to anger. Provocation leads to anger. How? What is provocation? What is provocation? Provocation is teasing someone based on their maybe a particular kind of speech or words which are going to make angry someone. Okay, so that is provocation. So provocation will result into anger. If somebody is provoking you, you may become angry. So option C is answer for this question. Next question is in front of you. Melt, liquid, so freeze what? Ice, condensed, solid, or crystal?
Solid.
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 Is it solid or ice?
Solid.
Solid. Because you may confuse here with ice, because melt and liquid, they will talk about the states of the matter. If you think something is melted, it will get converted into liquid. We can take example of, let's say take here example of ice. If ice melted, then we get its liquid, that is water.
Water.
Okay? Yes, exactly. Similarly, if we freeze water, in that case we are going to get ice. And what is the state of ice? That is
Solid.
solid. So
Solid.
therefore, option C is answer. Nobody will go for ice here. Then next we people will talk about this number 6 question. Clock measures time. So
Temperature.
Temperature.
this question
Temperature.
needs no any explanation. That's temperature. Option D. So let's read this question. Number 7, Muslims most.
Gurudwara.
So first,
Gurudwara. Gurudwara.
So you'll come to know people go for worship into mosque. Muslim people go in the mosque for worship prayer. So similarly, Sikh people will go in the Gurudwara for worship. So option D is answer here. Next, paw is of cat. So hoof is of which of the following animals? Horse, lion, lamb, or elephant?
Horse.
It's horse.
Horse.
It's horse. You'll come to know what is paw. Paw is of cat. Okay. So that is part of leg, paw. Similarly, of horse, you'll call it hoof. So therefore, option A, horse, is going to be answer for this question. All of you ensure. Then next question number 9 is eye is associated with myopia. So teeth will be related with what? Pyorrhea, cataract, trachoma, eczema.
Trachoma.
Trachoma.
Trachoma. So all you just try to understand eye or myopia is the disease which is associated with eye. So similarly, the people have to find out the disease which is related with teeth. So you'll come to know cataract is the disease. Again, it is related with eye. So you cannot go for this. So trachoma is the disease. Is it related with teeth? Are you sure? Are you sure about trachoma? All of you, those who answer trachoma. Just try to search more information about trachoma. Is it related with teeth or eczema? Because we people are not knowing about such diseases. We have never heard about trachoma or eczema. Hardly we people have heard about cataract.
So trachoma is related to eye.
Trachoma is also related with eye, so we can't go for this.
Pyorrhea.
Pyorrhea.
Option A.
Option A. Okay.
Option is
Option A is going to be answer. Okay, which is it is disease which is related with teeth. In that, what happens? The blood comes out of your gums or something like this. So something like this is. So option A is answer here. Next, very simple question: tractor and trailer. So horse and what? Stable, cart, saddle, or engine?
Cart.
Cart.
All of you people are right, those who are saying cart. Why? Because we will come to know this is in our day-to-day life. We people see that trailer is pulled by tractor. Okay, similarly, out of those options we people have to choose what will be pulled by horse. Is it stable pulled by horse? No, stable is a place where horse lives. Saddle is kept on horse back to sit. Engine is irrelevant here, so therefore cart is pulled by horse. So therefore option B is correct answer for this question. Next, go to the next question number 11. Scribble, write. So stammer, what? Walk, play, speak, dance.
Speak.
So what is scribbling? Speak is the right answer. What is scribbling? So scribbling is that you are trying to write something. For example, I'm just trying to write on the screen. So that is scribbling. Okay, it is related with writing. So similarly, stammer or stammering is activity which is related with speak. So stammering means that you are trying to speak, but you are not able to speak it properly. Maybe there are some people who are difficult to speak fluently. So that is called stammering. Okay. So stammering is associated with speaking. That is, I think that inability, or we can call it deficiency in speaking, is called stammering. Deficiency in writing is scribbling, where you are not able to write properly. Here I'm trying to write, but I'm not able to write it properly. So here this is scribbling. Similarly, if you're just facing difficulty to speak it normally, that's stammering. Next, number 12, flower, bird. So plant what? Seed, test.
Seed.
Seed.
So why seed? Why seed?
Bud is the part of flower
Hmm.
and seed is the root of plant.
Okay. So you come to know that bud is the earlier stage of flower. So out of blood, it results, it becomes flower. Similarly, you'll come to know seed. From seed, we get a plant like this. So seed is the right answer anyway. Next is number 13. Errata is of books. So flaws is of water. Manuscripts, metals, speech, charter.
Manuscripts.
Manuscripts. Others, just try to tell me.
Metals.
Metals or manuscripts.
Manuscripts.
Okay, let's try to
Manuscripts.
first understand first pair, errata and books, how they are related with each other. Okay, so this pair says errata means what? Errors. In short, we'll try to understand these are errors. Okay, so errors of what? If you have seen a book, in books there are some mistakes. Okay, so those mistakes are called errata. Okay, if the book is published and there might be some mistakes of typing or any grammar, so mistakes are there. So those mistakes, they are related with books. So what are these errata? The errata is the mistakes or errors by the author or by the publishers. Similarly, flaws are defects. Flaws are some kind of errors that we find in following four options. If you think manuscripts will be again related with books also. Manuscripts means handwritten, whatever the content is there, handwritten, that is called manuscripts. So manuscripts cannot be answered here. So speech is if you are having some mistakes in oral communication. In that case, you can go for speech. Charter again can be part of just any rule or any written communication. So therefore, you cannot go for option D also. So those who said that in form of metals, if you have seen something, maybe some objects of metals, and if there is some error or any kind of wrong thing, that will be flaws. So therefore, option B is going to be answer for this question. Next, very simple question for all of you. Gun, bullet, so chimney, what? Ground, house, roof, or smoke?
Smoke.
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 Smoke. You'll come to know from gun what comes out? It's bullet. So from chimney, what will come out?
Smoke.
Is it ground? No ground. Is it house? No house. Is it roof? Three options are irrelevant here. So you'll come to know if you have seen a chimney of, let's say, sugar factory or any other industry, you'll come to know usually smoke comes out. So therefore, option D is the right answer for this question. With this, we are on the next question number 15 here. And this question number 15 says breeze, cyclone. So drizzle what? Earthquake, storm, flood, downpour. Yes, Ganesh, answer.
Storm.
Storm.
Flood.
Flood.
Downpour.
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 All right. So let's try to understand this first pair. So what is breeze and cyclone?
Cyclone is Chakrivadar.
Yes, exactly. And breeze? During summers, you can realize this breeze.
ते वाऱ्याची
Breeze is a light wind, light rain.
Light wind which is blowing, which is actually pleasant. You may be feeling very hot and suddenly if the light wind blows, so that is breeze. Okay. And cyclone, that's a big storm. Usually you'll come to know it is destructive and it causes lots of things. So this is breeze is a small form of wind and cyclone is a big form of the wind. So this way people try to understand. So now tell me, what is drizzle?
Light rain.
Yes, drizzle means light raining. Okay, that is light rain. We'll consider it as a small form of raining, that is drizzling. So now people have to choose big form of raining. Is it earthquake? Earthquake is not related with raining.
No.
Storm is not related with raining. It is part of breeze or cyclone. Flood. Flood is after result of rain. Okay, so even flood also people cannot go. What is downpour?
Heavy rain.
Heavy rainfall.
Downpour.
Heavy rainfall is also called downpour. So therefore drizzle is small form. Heavy rainfall, or we'll call it big pour, is big form of raining. So therefore option D is answer here. All of you people are right, those who thought of option D, downpour. Next, number 16, car, garage. So aeroplane, what?
Port.
Port, depot, hangar, harbor.
Hanger.
Port.
Port and hangar.
Hunger.
Hangar.
Hunger.
Hunger.
Hangar. So if you think of the port, just try to find out car and garage. What is the relationship between car and garage?
Car
Well,
gets repaired in garage.
yes, for the purpose of maintenance, car is in garage. For repairing, car is in garage. So aeroplane, for the purpose of maintenance, for the purpose of, let's say, maintenance or repairing, where it will be.
Hunger.
So if you think of port or airport, can be the place where you will find takeoff and landing. There is no maintenance or repairing at airport. Okay. Depot is for bus. Okay. For aeroplane, we are not having bus. Harbor is for ship. Ships. So not that also. So here you people are going with option C, that is hunger. And also try to find out the different word, that is hunger, and hunger is totally different. You might be coming first time that hunger is totally different. Hunger is totally different. That you just be clear with these two words also. So option C is answer for this question. Now let's try to find out next question, race fatigue. So fast what? Food, appetite, hunger, weakness.
Hunger.
Hunger. Okay, in first example, first pair, that is race and fatigue. How we are going to make a relatable with each other? If there is a race in the sense of competition, we'll take it as a competition. Okay, let's say any running competition or something like this. If there is a race, it will result into fatigue. Fatigue is some tiredness.
Thakwa.
Weakness. Yes, exactly. Yes. So we'll talk about here fast. So what meaning you are taking of this fast? Is it related with speed? No. Exactly. Yes. So that fast, we are taking it as a noun. Okay. And if you keep a fast on a particular day, what will it result into?
Hunger.
Weakness.
Hunger.
Hunger.
Weakness will be the latest stage. Immediate stage, if you think about, it can be hunger, but let's try to see which is the correct answer. Because weakness is also there, but it will be later stage. After hunger, it will result into weakness. But immediate stage of fast, suppose that today if you keep fast, what you will feel? First of all, you will feel hungry. So therefore, close answer, most suitable option that people will choose, it will be C. And after that, you can go for weakness. Weakness will be later result. After maybe for complete whole day, you people are keeping fast, and then it may result into weakness also. But you'll find that appetite is also similar to hunger. Find the meaning of appetite. It may also hunger. But answer given answer is option C. Okay. But appetite also means hunger. So let's be clear about this question. We people have to choose the most suitable. Most suitable means there are two options which can be right, but out of these two, we people have to choose which one most suitable. That is the feature of competitive exam that you people have to understand. Sometimes you people may get confused with two options, what to choose. So in that case, you have to go with most suitable. Next, a simple question for all of you. Candle, wax, so paper what? Wood, tree, bamboo, pulp.
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 So in this case also, you people can also get some confusion. Let's try to be clear with candle is made up of what?
Wood.
Wax.
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 Wax. Okay. So candle is made up of wax. Now people have to think about the paper. Paper is made up of what?
Pulp.
So here you have to go like this. So paper is made up of pulp. So option D is answer here. If option pulp is not here, in that case, you people can go for next. It can be wood, it can be tree, it can be bamboo also, because paper is made from bamboo also. Bamboo is a tree. Tree wood can be similar. So here you have to go with most suitable option, and most suitable option is D. So paper is made up of pulp. So pulp is made from bamboo. Bamboo is a tree like this. So option D is answer in this case. Next, acting, theater, so gambling what? Casino, club, bar, gym.
Casino.
Casino.
Yes. The casino is a place, I think that we have done it while learning relationships, we people have discussed
Yes, sir.
it. That I told you gambling is a kind of game which is involved risk, where you can earn a lot of money or you may lose also, kind of jugaar it is. And a particular building where such kind of games are performed, that is casino. And answer is casino. You should just try to think of other. You just try to gym, we go for exercise. Bar, no relevant. Club, not for gambling. So option A is answer for this question. Next question number 20. Venerate, worship, extol, what? Glorify, homage, compliment, recommend.
Glorify.
Glorify.
Glorify, tell me why glorify.
Compliment.
Yeah, giving compliment to someone, which is similar to extol.
Similar to extol.
Because venerate is similar to worship, and so extol is similar to glorify.
Exactly. So venerate and worship are same meaning, synonyms. Okay. So extol means praise someone. Okay. Applaud someone. So therefore glorify means the same. So they are same meaning words, not homage. Not compliment also. And recommend is not. So option A is answer for this question. So next go for question number 21. Water, convection. So space what? Conduction,
Radiation.
transference, vacuum, radiation. So why radiation? So let's try to understand water and convection what, how they are related with each other. So convection is what and how it is related with water. You might have studied in geography that the big ocean bodies or let's say seas, they have currents, okay? And these currents, when they just move from one direction to another direction, or there is a transfer of heat, okay, transfer of heat. So therefore, these currents are called convection, water currents. That is convection. That is transfer of heat through water. We'll take it as. So that is convection. So transfer of heat through space, that we'll try to understand. That is radiation. Option D is answer. But why D? That will people may
Because radiation is in waveforms and it
waveform.
is transferred from space.
It is transferred from space. Okay. All right. So option D is answer here. Then next question number 22 is here. Let's say growth disease. So increase what? Is decrease is seeds. What is it?
Decrease.
Decrease.
Seas.
Seeds.
Seas.
See. So let's try to understand growth and death. What is the relationship between growth and death? Are they opposite?
Yes, sir. Growth is a start point and death is the last step.
Growth is the start point and death is the last stage. Okay, so increase. In that case, if it is opposite, you'll come to know increase and decrease can be opposite. No? So they are not opposite. Try to understand. Growth and death, they are not opposite. That rightly mentioned. That first beginning, or if something started growing, where it will reach, last stage will be death. Similarly, if something starts increasing, where it will reach, to cease. To cease means to stop or to die. It can be similar. Okay, so therefore option D. So don't go for decrease. Simply we may confuse with decrease, or we may choose decrease, but they are not opposite pairs. This is a journey from one particular point, from growing to death, from increase to cease, like this. So they are similar. Growth and increase can be similar. Death and cease, they are also similar. Okay. So option D, cease is answer. Simple question. Oxygen burn, carbon dioxide what? Isolate, foam, extinguish, explode.
Extinguish.
Extinguish.
Extinguish. Very simple, because all people have seen about or you might have done some experiments also, or in science you people have studied oxygen helps to burn. Similarly, carbon dioxide helps to extinguish. And so that in fire extinguisher, you'll come to know that CO2 has been filled. So reason is that it helps to extinguish fire and oxygen helps to burn fire. Next, number 24, dog bark. So goat what? Bleat, howl, grunt, bray.
Blind.
Bleat.
Bleat.
Okay. Okay. So the voice, or dog barks. Okay. Dog barks. So goat bleats. So option A is going to be answer. Howl can be for dog. Grunt can be for let's say that can be for those animals who are in the form of, let's say, crying. Bray for the donkey. So these are different voice of animals. So voice of animals also you should prepare. Okay. So option A is answer for this question. Bleat. Goat bleats. So with this, today we will move towards the last question for, we'll come cover 25. Remaining question we'll cover in next session. all you people come prepared. So grain stock, so stick, what, heap, bundle, collection, string.
Bundle.
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 Okay, it's
Bundle.
bundle of sticks. We call it bundle of sticks because stock of grain, these are collective nouns. Stock of grains, so bundle of sticks. Collection of stick, that makes bundle. Collection of grains, that makes stock. So option B is answer for this question. Okay. So any queries about today's session? Do you have any questions, difficulties about today's session?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
All right, so then let's go for attendance of today. First of all, division A, roll number 1, 2 absent, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 absent, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 absent, 15 absent, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 absent, 22, 23, 24, 25 absent, 26, 27 absent, 28, 29, 30, 31 absent, 32, 33, 34 absent, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 absent, 41, 42, 43 absent, 44, 45, 46 absent, 47, 48, 49 absent, 50, 51, 52 absent, 53, then 54 to 56 absent, 54, 55, 56 absent, 57, 58, 59 absent, 60, 61, 62, 63 absent, 64, 65, 66 absent, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71 absent, 72, 73 absent, 74, 75 absent, 76, 77, 78. So what is the last roll number in division A?
Sir, 76 present.
Okay, 75 and 70, 75 and 76 you are present.
Yes, sir.
77.
77 you are also present.
Yes, sir.
So 78 is the last roll number in division A, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so absent numbers from division A, roll number 2, 8, 14, 15, 20, 21, 25, 27, 31, 34, 39, 40, 43, 46, 48, 49, 52, 54, 55, 56, 59, 63, 65, 66, 71, 73. If anybody is present, just let me know. From division B, roll number 2 absent, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 absent, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 absent, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 absent, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 absent, 45, 46, 45, 46, 47 absent, 48, 49, 50 absent, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55 absent, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61 absent, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76 absent. So 77 is the last roll number. Am I right? From division
No,
B?
sir. 78 पण आहे ना.
78 is also absent then. Who is 78?
Sir, me 78, Vishali.
Okay, you are 78. Fine. So absent numbers from division B, roll number 2, 6, 7, 16, 36, 44, 47, 49, 50, 55, 61, 76. Anybody present? All right, fine. So I think that if you love these kind of sessions, you continue. But I always suggest at the end of the session, you people come prepared for oral communication. So someone just please come prepared for oral activities. You can prepare dialogues. So take help of your friend, prepare one dialogue, take one situation, prepare with your friend, rehearsal, and try to present your dialogue, or role play can be done here, or you can come with one story, or we can come with some oral activities, presentation, or it can be anything. Okay. Otherwise, we will continue with this. If no one is ready, we are going to continue this also. See that I think that DSY students, they are connected from last 1 or 2 lectures. For them also, you people can also be part of these activities where you people can we people can just improve our own communication. For that, we people are preparing. Okay. So if you come prepared, that will also be fine for next session. So we'll stop here today. Should I end this meeting for all now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you.